Hi, this is Peggy Elias, and I'm your realtor with HomeSmart. Today I am in Glendale, Arizona, previewing this beautiful home that is on Corinne Drive, and it is priced just below $500,000. And this is what a gorgeous home that is priced at $500,000 will get you in Glendale. This home has dual vanities in the main bathroom, has a tiled and block glass shower. This also has an exit to the rear patio area from the main bedroom, extra storage, has mirrored closet doors, and the bedrooms have ceiling fans throughout. And there are 2 additional bedrooms across the hallway, and the guest bathroom is right here. Everything has been updated, has a fresh, modern appeal. The flooring is neutral. The paint colors are neutral. And the bedrooms all have the blinds, the ceiling fans, and they're very, very spacious. They're not crowded. I love this one. How bright and cheerful is that? This would be a cute office. It could be a workout room, or it could also be a child's room. It could even be a playroom. Again, we have the neutral colors, more storage, the cloak closet, and then look at this. Very, very spacious. This is your main formal living room that is adjacent to the dining. And then we have the kitchen. The kitchen is so cute and updated. It has the white has a window so you can peek out to the front. Updated appliances, and look how open it is. A very large breakfast bar. And then what else is special about this home is you have the additional area over here. So this is the family room area, and it's totally away. It's huge and totally away from the rest of the home. So you could have your children back here, and it would still be quiet at the other end of the home. There is a bathroom that is just adjacent, a powder room right there. So this is really cute, and everything in the home is in neutral decor. So if you're looking for a home in Glendale that is priced just below $500,000, this is one of the beautiful homes that I've seen that is priced to sell. Give me a call for more information, or if you would like to tour this property, my number is 602-422-5444. Thanks so much.